Okay, here's a recent tip that Wade made, YouTube channel, shared a while back, and I was running my CNC and remembered it and thought, wow, this might be interesting for others that use a Laguna CNC or use a Rich Auto handheld controller. And he's got several tips that you should probably go look at regarding the controls in the handmade controller. I'll put a link to his YouTube video in this post. Well, I can't put a link, they don't allow links, but I'll put the URL in this post and you can go check it out. But I'll share some of these individually as I remember them as I go through the using the CNC. Okay, sharing a quick tip on how to calculate toolpaths using the Rich Auto controller directly. Wade Made YouTube channel shared this, and I've used it a couple times, and it provides a pretty accurate estimate when you want to know how long a carving is going to take. Remember, in the Vectric software, you can always use the clock feature right here, pull up your toolpaths, and it will estimate your machine time here, but that's just an estimation based on certain factors that are fed into here, and then you have to scale that if you want to get accurate times. Another way to do it, Wade pointed out, is getting it straight from the Rich Auto controller directly. And I'm going to share that with you next. Here's a tip for you if you have a Laguna IQ or other Laguna machine with this Rich Auto controller. Here's how you can accurately get an estimate of your toolpath time, how long it'll take to carve. First thing you do is you go to the menu button right here. Hard to look through my camera. Then you go to operate file by using the X down key. Hit OK. You go down to 1, 2, 3, 4. You go down to the check pro time. Hit OK. You go to your UDISC file on your USB. You pick the toolpath you want to know the particular amount of runtime. That will give you the runtime based on the G code the controller sees, which is more accurate than the Vectric software. Okay, I hope you found that tip useful. I thought it was helpful when I found it out, and I've been using it for about a month now, and it's usually pretty darn accurate. I'll share other tips as I think of them as we go, but suggest you go take a quick look at Wade's YouTube channel. He's got 2 of them specifically on the controller. The first one is something like everything you need to know about the Rich Auto controller, and the other one is everything you need to know after you watched everything you need to know, something like that. Go to his channel, Wade Made.